Since 1966, the Ford Bronco has embodied the spirit of adventure, and now we're taking that legacy a step further with the all-new Havoc off-road EVOC fender flares. These fender flares are designed to give the classic look of the original Bronco while equipping your ride for the modern terrain. Constructed from durable, impact-resistant ABS thermoplastic, these flares are built to withstand the toughest of off-road challenges, just like your Bronco. They provide an additional 1-inch width, making them perfect for accommodating larger wheel and tire packages. The lightly textured matte black exterior, complemented by sleek stainless hardware, gives your Bronco that iconic bolt-on look straight out of the box. And whether you prefer a classic retro style or a more understated and stealthy tone, the Havoc EVOC fender flares can easily be painted to seamlessly blend with your Bronco's unique style. The Havoc EVOC fender flares are compatible with OE wheel liners and all factory sensors, so you don't have to worry about losing any of your vehicle's functionality. So whether you're hitting the trails or turning heads on the streets, these fender flares will not disappoint. If you want to know more about the Havoc Off-Road EVOC fender flares or just need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time on In the Garage. Until then, keep exploring and have fun out there.